Make a great choice today with the 2025 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.